Hi, welcome back to Paprika UK. My name's Tom, and today we're not doing a standard cook. We're going to do a chicken wing test. We're going to do 4 different ways of chicken wings, 4 different ways that I've seen all across YouTube saying these are the best way to do them. Today we're going to put all 4 to the test, and I'm going to pick a winner.
So in this test we're going to use a standard chicken rub. We've got another standard chicken rub, but we're going to spray the wings with oil. Got a standard chicken rub that's got an extra half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and standard chicken rub in mayonnaise. So all of these quantities are equal. I'm just going to cover the first wing in the standard rub. So second wing we're going to spray in sunflower oil, both sides. And then sprinkle on the rub. So and this is the rub with the extra cornstarch. There's half a teaspoon of cornstarch added into the rub. Lastly, we're going to dip these in the rub and mayonnaise mixture. This is a video that Costa de la Missenden has done. I will stick a iCard in the top. So we've got 2 full charcoal baskets of lumpwood charcoal, and the vent set fully open to get this kettle as hot as we possibly can. We're going to put these chicken wings round quarterly, starting with the standard rub, then the standard rub with the oil, then the cornstarch, and then the mayonnaise. We're going to turn the vent quarterly every 10 minutes so that we can get an even cook across these wings. A fair test. Give this lid another quarter turn. We're 20 minutes into this cook, so we're just going to flip each of the wings over, see how they're doing. So none of them particularly look crispy yet, but we've still got another 20 minutes to go. So these wings have had 40 minutes in total, 10 minutes each with the vent directly over the top, and they're done. So we're going to take them off and put them on the plate in the same position that they're coming off the kettle, so we know exactly which wing is which.
So appearance wise, this is just a standard rub, and they don't look that different to the one that had the oil on them. They don't feel any different. This one down here, this is the one that had the cornstarch. These seem to have caught less than the others, which is strange. I think that's probably because it didn't want to stick with the cornstarch in it, but they feel, I suppose, less crispy than them. And these are the ones with the mayonnaise, and these feel the crispiest. They've also caught more, so appearance wise, I like these. Crispy to the feel. I think it's mayonnaise, but there's not a lot in it between a mayonnaise wing and a standard rub. So we'll give these a crunch test. So I expected to see a lot more variation between them all. They all look very much the same, really, other than the ones that had the cornstarch on. So we'll give them a crunch test and a taste test. This is the standard wing, it's just chicken rub. Now, that's a beautiful wing. It's still got a nice crunch. There's nothing wrong with that at all, to just put a standard rub on there. I'm going to go as far as to say that is exactly the same as the one that didn't have any oil on it. It's made no difference whatsoever. So, cornstarch. As I say, I prefer the colour of these. But let's see the taste. It doesn't taste any different. The cornstarch does nothing to the flavour, which is good. However, I don't think that is as crispy as these. So that's the loser at the moment. Let's have a go with this one that we have the mayonnaise on. Taste wise, it doesn't taste any different. The skin definitely feels tighter on this. And I suppose it gave a minimal, very, very minimal bigger crunch, but not enough in it to warrant, well, if you're making a whole plate of wings, you've got to use half a jar or half a bottle of mayonnaise to get that minimal amount. I personally, I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to stick to chicken rub on a wing. I will leave the description for this rub underneath. It's one I made myself, but it's got nothing special in it. So yeah, standard chicken wings, I believe, are the winner. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life, then please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like on the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you think that there's any other version that I've missed, let me know and I will do it. I'll add it in. We will do the standard wing again, which I've chosen as my winner, versus another wing. So yeah, please leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching.